I mean, both of them take skill.
More of a turn on.
Yeah, I will get a hard on the spot.
I got a wicked boner.
What mental illness do car guys suffer from?
Oh, delusion, bro.
What do you mean by that?
It's a common BMW problem.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
I'm taking the oil change, girl.
Okay, fine.
So then I don't have to do it.
I like this one.
Who am I here with today?
I'm here.
If you were a cop for a day, what tickets would you write?
Definitely riding way too low. Either way too low.
Too low ride height?
Yeah, loud exhaust, like extremely loud exhaust.
Hose come through.
What is making all that noise? Oh my god, it's a loud car.
I will
So
say.
you mix them up and just start cranking out the writing all day.
Yeah, I will go all over the place.
Who am I here with today?
I'm Manny the Grapper, Emmanuel.
Manny the Grapper?
Yeah, that's my Instagram name, but everyone calls me Manny, yeah.
All right, I'll call you Manny the Grapper.
Yeah, I love it, let's do it.
Do you keep your input shaft protected?
I try to. Yeah, usually.
Playing things safe.
Yeah, absolutely, you know, gotta stay safe.
Who is hotter, a girl who could drive stick or a girl who could do an oil change?
I will say a girl that can actually drive stick. I feel that's where it's at.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
more of a skill.
Yeah, that's. I mean, both of them take skill.
It's more of a turn on.
Yeah, I will get a hard on the spot.
I got a wicked boner.
Who am I here with today?
Troy Mason,
What's up, Troy Mason?
how you doing, sir?
doing great,
It's
sir.
good to meet you.
You as well.
All right.
If your car could talk, what would it say?
This is a PG thing, right? It's not,
You can go R, you can go R.
she
Don't go
would-
X though.
She would say, drive me hard.
I know what you mean by that.
She would say, drive me hard.
I like your car.
She's definitely a female.
Yeah. Your car is good taste.
Yes.
If you were a cop for a day, what tickets would you write?
Ricer tickets. Lots of Ricer tickets. Like, just out of pure spite, and I would let them know that I'm writing it for that. Yeah, absolutely. You cannot.
Muffler deletes and freaking
For
slam
no
through,
reason. It's
yeah.
like, there's loud cars and there's cars that sound good.
Cars
So,
are 8 different colors.
Right?
Tire pylon spray paint.
dude, the antlers on the cars, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Straight ticket, yeah.
I'm down with those
absolutely.
antler tickets.
Antlers on the car, gotta go. It's not even Christmas. Come on, guys.
I don't
What
even
are
care
we
if it
doing?
is Christmas. Those things are freaking.
They gotta go.
Oh, yeah. That was 2002. Who am I here with today?
It's Juan Arroyo.
What is it?
Juan Arroyo.
Juan Arroyo?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's say you're getting into the bank robbery business. What's your getaway car?
What? Supra. Twin turbo, 2JZ.
In a Supra? Mark 4 Supra?
Mark 4 Toyota Supra, 2JZ, twin turbo.
If you could make one new law on the road, what would it be?
If we cannot race on the streets, start building racetracks.
So the law would be we have to have more racetracks.
Yes, 100%. If you don't want us to race on the streets, make racetracks.
Mandated more
Mandated. Yep, 100%.
I'd support that.
Yeah, right?
Go for that shit.
Absolutely. Less accidents.
Who is hotter, a girl who could drive stick or a girl who could do an oil change?
Definitely stick. Like, I want my wife to be able to drive my car.
You want to share and kind of
Yeah.
be able to include your woman in your life.
Absolutely, yeah. I want my wife to be able to drive my car. I'll teach her how to do an oil change later on.
That can be learned.
Yeah, right? That can be learned. Yeah, stick is harder.
You know what? You're probably right. If you were a cop for a day, what tickets would you write?
None.
None. Boom.
None. I wouldn't give anybody a ticket.
You're parking behind the school and just freaking chilling for the day.
There
Waiting
it
for
is.
a call to come in where they want you.
That's right. I'm going to let everybody speed for a day.
I respect you.
Thank
We
you.
need more people like you out there.
You know why? Because I got a couple of tickets.
Oh, we all have, man. We all have. Would you date someone who didn't know how to handle your stick shift?
Yeah. If I loved her enough, yeah, for sure. It'll take time and a lot of like blood, sweat, and tears. I'm just like, I need to teach you how to take care of this.
Hopefully
But
not too much blood.
hopefully. That's a great point, yes. Hopefully not.
Why do girls always hit curves?
That's a good one. I don't think they are as careful as we are because they don't take as much passion. Well, not all of them. Some of them. But I feel that it's just like they just don't care. Well, sometimes they just don't care. They say that they don't see it, but in reality, they're just like, yeah, we're just gonna send it.
No big deal. It's like a ride for them.
Right.
Who is hotter, a girl who could drive stick or a girl who could do an oil change?
I'm taking the oil change, girl.
Okay, fine.
So then I don't have to do it.
I like this one.
Saves you some time and chores.
Yes.
Less chores on Troy's schedule.
That's
More
right.
free time for car shows.
Yes. I'll definitely take a woman that can work on a car.
If your car could talk, what would it say?
Stop.
Stop it. Get some help.
Stop. Just everything.
Just stop. Just stop.
Stop breathing.
Basically.
You don't have a good relationship, do you?
I do, but sometimes, you know,
Sometimes she gets a little feisty.
just a little bit.
Let's say you're getting into the bank robbery business. What's your getaway car?
If it's in the U.S., definitely a Corvette. Gotta have a little bit of style, you know. Like if I'm robbing a bank,
Torque.
yeah, absolutely. That LS engine, bro.
It ain't gonna die on you mid police chase.
It ain't. Either that or the classic Dodge Charger, you know.
Okay.
Be like every other LA robber, but yeah.
With the Charger, I like you kind of blend in with the cops. A
little bit.
So you kind of,
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, definitely a Corvette. Two-door, just it rips. That's all I care about. Just gotta go.
Why do girls always hit curves?
Oh gosh. If I could answer that, because my wife
don't know
does
either
the same thing. She hits the curb to say, "Oh, I'm parked close enough."
I did not drive no getaway car. I'm legally blind.
That's why she
Not
don't
too
drive
close,
my
I'm close
car.
enough.
That's why she don't drive the car. Okay.
You're a smart man.
Yes. That's the reason why she drives a CRV.
High sidewalls. Big sidewalls for the
High
curves.
sidewalls. Nothing too
Nothing
much.
too much
for
to
her.
bang up.
No, nothing too much.
What is the best way for a girl to rizz up a car guy?
Oh, start talking about car parts. Like out of nowhere, you pull up and you're like, oh, you got this.
All right, look, you want to have sex right now? Do you want to have sex with me right now? Let's go. Come on, let's go, baby. Come on.
You're like, wait, what? And then like, oh, is that? Yes. That I feel that's what that is. Like just start naming a bunch of like car parts that you have on your car, and it's that.
It's okay, I'm recording here. It's okay, you guys, it's okay. Bolt-on aftermarket headlights are misaligned factory low beams that are pointed in different directions. Neither.
They're both terrible.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What kind of headlights you want?
I don't really care about the headlights per se.
Just like fresh factory stock.
Yeah,
Fresh
clean.
stock, fresh stock.
Clean.
Okay.
I like clean look.
Let's say you're getting into the bank robbery business. What is your getaway car?
Definitely has to be something big, fast, and I would say like a track hawk. That will do. Something that can take some weight.
Oh my.
And has a little bit of power. Either a track hawk or a TRX.
I like the track option.
Right?
You got the speed, but you also have the height. You could jump over
Exactly.
train tracks and shit.
But the TRX, you got the tailgate. I mean, you got the whole bed in the back, and still over 700 horsepower. So
Those are good options.
right?
What mental illness do car guys suffer from?
Oh, delusion, bro.
What do you mean by that?
Delusion. We love our cars so much and we don't care. We just throw everything into them. Yeah,
Make a
absolutely.
lot of bad
delusional.
decisions.
Yeah, Alzheimer's.
This whole thing is a bad decision.
Bro, I'm telling you. I'm like, my car is already 20 years old and it's gonna die on me.
And I've decided that I want to die.
But I'm still throwing money into it. I should just buy a new one, you know?
No, let's keep freaking making a money pit.
We'll rebuild it. Dude, my keychain says money pit.
Oh, I nailed it.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
If you were a cop for a day, what tickets would you write?
Going in and out of lanes with no turn signal. It's a common BMW problem.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Oh! They don't even come with them anymore.
No, it doesn't exist.
From factory. They
Yeah,
don't work.
they said forget the switch, just wipers. That's
we'll
it.
save money on that.
Yeah,
Production
yeah,
costs.
100%.
Does Big Booty Betty have a more accurate butt dyno than Flapjack Pat?
Bad Booty Betty.
Yes, more accurate.
Yeah, I believe so. I believe so, 100%.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
She has more like whiskers and sensors. out
Yeah,
there
all over
in
the place.
environment.
Yep. Yeah, I think that's my money.
Okay.